Hey guys, and welcome to today's project of making chocolate sauce. The ingredient list is in the description. You too can make this rich, indulgent chocolate sauce. On this journey, we will explain why we add in each of the ingredients. A great sauce has to have character, and this one has plenty of that. This is best served with some pancakes, waffles, French toast, or even on top of your favorite ice cream. Let's start the process. For this recipe, you'll need a medium-sized pot, and in goes 500 grams of water, 600 grams of double cream. After that, add in a pinch or 5 grams of sea salt. The sea salt helps to bring out the flavour of the chocolate. Next, add in 5 grams of vanilla extract. The vanilla is there to complement and give the sauce a second dimension in flavour. After that, add in 130 grams of dark Muscavado sugar. This sugar adds depth to the liquid mixture. You can now bring the pot over to the stove and turn on the heat to medium to high. We want the mixture to boil. Don't walk away though, as it can boil over. This process doesn't take long, so just stay. Whisk it occasionally to prevent the bottom from scorching. In order to be familiar with the base mixture, have a taste. If you were to pour this over coffee, you would have a fantastic cup of coffee. Let's measure out the cocoa powder. We are using Van Houten cocoa powder. It comes from the Netherlands, and apart from Avery being half Dutch, the reason why we use it is for its Dutched process. Dutched cocoa powder is when alkaline salts are processed with the cocoa mass to remove the bitter taste and to make the cocoa solids more water-soluble. This process also gives the cocoa powder a rich colour. Measure out 150 grams of Dutched cocoa powder. Pour in the cocoa powder and mix it in. Use a whisk to dissolve the powder. Now turn the heat down and cook it out for 5 minutes. This will allow it to thicken. This is what we are looking for. We want the mixture to be able to coat the back of a spoon evenly. Take it off from the heat and set it to one side. Now for the next part of the process. Let's measure out some more chocolate. We are using chocolate from Callebaut, which is from Belgium. This is to add extra flavour. This small amount will provide the intense chocolate flavour we are looking for, with fruity hints and a roasted undertone. Measure out 100 grams. Also measure out 300 grams of honey. Place the chocolate and honey in a large bowl. 3 reasons why we are using honey. Number 1, honey is used to bring balance between any bitter notes in the chocolate sauce. Number 2, it is a natural sweetener. And number 3, for its viscosity, so there is a nice flow when you pour the sauce. Now pour over the hot mixture. Use a whisk to dissolve the chocolate and honey. We are at a current temperature of 63 degrees Celsius. This is a good temperature to add in the butter. If it is hotter than that, just stir and wait. Measure out 100 grams of cold butter. Cut it into cubes and throw some cubes in. Whisk it in, and once all the cubes are gone, throw in some more cubes. Do this repeatedly. Doing this in stages helps to emulsify the butter into the sauce. We add butter into the sauce, giving it that rich, smooth finish. Plus, it adds that sexy shine. Let's measure the temperature. It is currently at 45 degrees Celsius. This is a great temperature to enjoy the chocolate sauce. Perfectly warm. You don't want the sauce to be too hot or too cold, otherwise you won't taste the layers of flavours. If it is too cold, the fats could set. And if it is too hot, the chocolate can burn and the fats could separate. Let's do one final test, the spoon test. Take a large spoon and just check out this coating right here. Perfectly smooth, shiny, and is able to hold its shape when you draw a line. Just simply beautiful. It also has a great pour consistency. To show you how well this chocolate sauce holds itself, if you have a chocolate pen or a squeeze bottle, you can do decorations with this or draw lines and patterns. By the way, you can make a decent amount, and this can be frozen for up to 6 months. It's definitely not going to last that long in this house. Just defrost it overnight, heat it up in the microwave, but not for too long, and serve straight away. Maybe even dip some strawberries and marshmallows into it. For a romantic evening, the choice is up to you. And there you have it guys, luscious chocolate sauce. As usual, it was a pleasure having you with us on this journey today. If you enjoyed what you watched, Please leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe to be notified of upcoming videos, and we shall see you in the next one. Bye for now.